Sony is now testing 1440p support for the PS5. I didn't even realize it wasn't there. I just assumed it would be an option. But up until now, you got automatic, 720p, 1080i, 1080p, 2160p, 4K. But a lot of people have 1440p monitors. And I know most probably have their PS5 connected to TVs, but a lot are getting them on the desk with the smaller monitors. And there's probably plenty that have it plugged into a 1440p monitor, and there's some upscaling going on because they're probably... the system itself is outputting 1080p, I suppose. Given the fact that this is a new test, testers will get access to the new PS5 system software beta, including 1440p support. Video output option allows PS5 owners to choose this resolution on compatible TVs and monitors. 1440p it's pretty nice depending on the size of the monitor.
Yeah.
You'll be able to check if your HDMI connected display supports 1440p in the screen and video section of the PS5 dashboard. I guess it'll be grayed out if you can, or you'll get the warning that it'll be the wrong refresh. It's part of a PS5 software update that includes game lists designed to make it easier to organize your games and your game library.
But also, I guess, a pretty important part, it improves the game performance by improving anti-aliasing and super sampling, right?
4K games? The new 1440p video output will allow PS5 owners to choose a resolution compatible with TV and monitors. If games support 1440p, the native 1440p output will be supported, but otherwise 4K games will benefit from improved anti-aliasing and super sampling down to the 1440p output. So even 4K titles will benefit from this new setting, even if you don't have a 4K capable display. So anyway, it's part of a PS5 update, but it's just something I didn't know.